Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the ALWUP A6 gaming headset. You can get this product on Amazon for about $29. Check out the link in the description. My first impression is very positive. It looks like this is a good quality gaming headset. The gaming headset has an on-cabled sound control, which makes it easy to control the volume and mute the microphone. If you connect the gaming headset to a USB port, you also have really cool LED lights flashing in different colors. I tested the gaming headset for a couple of days and I think it's a really good product. It's lightweight and comfortable to wear, the microphone quality and the sound quality are very good, and it looks really cool with the flashing LED lights. So if you're looking for a not so expensive but good quality gaming headset, I would recommend the ALWUP A6 gaming headset. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.